Today we learn about sea animal. This is a jellyfish. J for jellyfish. This is a seahorse. S for seahorse. This is a fish. F for fish. This is an octopus. O for octopus. This is a crab. C for crab. This is a dolphin. D for dolphin. This is a starfish. S for starfish. This is a turtle. T for turtle. This is a snail. S for snail. This is an eel. E for eel. This is a whale. W for whale. This is an alligator. A for alligator. This is a shark. S for shark. This is a frog. F for frog. This is a snake. S for snake. This is a newt. N for newt. This is a cobra. C for cobra. This is a seal. S for seal. This is a penguin. P for penguin. This is a bear. B for bear. This is a crab. C for crab. This is a seashell. S for seashell. This is a hammerhead fish. H for